हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल. दिस इज़ आस्था एंड आज है हमारी फेयरवेल. आई डोंट नो इफ़ आई शुड बी हैप्पी अबाउट इट और सैड अबाउट इट. टोटली मिक्स्ड फीलिंग्स. एंड even leaving Miranda, I cannot even think of leaving Miranda in my dreams. And let's not talk about it. And also सुबह सुबह फ्रेंड्स के बीच में थोड़ी लड़ाई होगी ऑन द डे ऑफ फेयरवेल, जो कि सॉर्ट हो गई है. बट या बहुत अजीब ही चल रहा है. बट एनी वेज, दिस इज़ माई फिट. आई एम वेयरिंग माई मामीज साड़ी, जो कि मैं बाद में दिखाऊंगी अच्छे से. एंड या लेट्स सी आज का दिन कैसे जाता है. लेट्स गो. इनको दिखाती हूँ. हाय गाइस. प्रॉपर इन लोगों ने फूल लगाया है. एंड ये मेखला सादर है. सादर.
This is called Mekhela Sador. It's an Assamese, traditional attire.
Assamese beauties. मैं राजस्थानी लग रही हूँ.
सुंदर लग रही है एकदम.
थैंक यू.
ये अपना नेकलेस?
नहीं अपना ये.
गाइस मीट अभी प्रीति. पूरी बंगाली ब्यूटी लग रही है ये. गाइस वी हैव एंटर्ड द कॉलेज एंड हियर आई एम विद ईशाना. अब हम कूपन्स लेने जा रहे हैं, अपने फूड कूपन्स.
बाकी दो दोस्त
वो लोग उधर से
नहीं मिला, so they are waiting.
दे विल कम. देखो हमारा कॉलेज. ओह माय गॉड. चलो मिलते हैं. बाय गाइस. हम खा रहे हैं हमारी कूपन्स. ये हाय. ये नित्या है, ये हमारी सीआर है. यस. एंड सारा, शी इज वेरी पढ़ाकू, बहुत पढ़ती है. शी ऑलवेज कम्स इन क्लास. कितने पिटी लग रहे हैं दोनों. रिचिका थैंक यू फॉर ब्रिंगिंग रोप्स फॉर अस. रोप्स का रख दिए, ये नीचे पड़े हैं. सो या हाय भूमिका. कितनी पिटी लग रही है. घूम के दिखा. अध्याशा हेलो. आउटफिट दिखा. आप लोग एंटर करने वाले हैं अब. लेट्स सी. ये कैसा लग रहा है. कैसा लग रहा है अनमोल. अनमोल तो बोल ही नहीं रही. अभी नहीं रोना, अभी नहीं रोना.
Last day I told all these guys that I won't cry.
You
I'll
won't.
be the only one who won't cry.
Let's see.
The first one who cried.
Stay tuned for the results.
I'm the first one who cried. क्या मेरा वो नहीं दिखता.
Make your own path, do whatever makes you happy. And remember, life is not a race. You're not running to a finishing point, nor do you want to be judged by how much money you make. I mean, you can't get more crass than that. So go ahead, do what makes you happy, even if it is just feeding stray dogs on the street. Just do that. So go out, do whatever you want to do. Because remember, whatever you do with yourself in terms of your career is just a very, very small part of your grand life.
I don't know what to say. Is this a happy moment or a sad moment? I don't know. Yeah.
मैं कर लेगी मैं गेस कर लूँगी तू तेज से बोलना जब कितनी जाने वो जोर से बोल
For both you. So, for those who are leaving finally, maybe you might, some of you might be. I just want to say, enjoy wherever you go. I mean, try to have the best of life. And remember us, work hard, and take up from. That's all I want to say. Thank you.
Okay, I don't have much to say. In fact, Nima ma'am was asking me what should we, talk about, what words of wisdom should we give you. So I am just remembering my own farewell, and I remember a couple of things that my teachers taught me. And the first thing they taught me was that after you graduate, do not look at your life as profit, loss, or failure, success. So whatever you are going to do in life now, they are just going to be an addition of new experiences, new skills, and perhaps new personality development for you. So don't take it like, I've lost something, I've gained something. It's not going to be like that. Secondly, I'm very glad to see that you all are so joyous about your farewell. Because I remember I was so nervous in my farewell. I thought now no more of Nescafe, no more of classes, which I never used to enjoy all the time. And I was wondering now what lies ahead after this. So it was a lot of nervousness and a lot of fear as well.
said I will be performing a solo dance. Thank you guys, and it's been really, it's like a fast forward time. I really don't know how you guys are graduating. Not bad friends, but you guys grew up really fast.
Should I tell what I think we have shared a lot of stories and anecdotes already, and Beauty's performance. She's a showstopper for the event today. But it's very heartwarming to see all of you grow up into such beautiful adults inside and out. And but I just want to say one thing, that as women, we have always been conditioned to just be silent most of the times, because if we start questioning, तो माहौल खराब हो जाता है, because when we question, we are actually questioning the power structure in the society. But having said that, you have the power of words, and so please understand that it is a privilege in itself. So always, in whichever context you are, whatever job you take, whichever job you do not take, regardless, just keep on asking questions.
Like Beauty said, we're meeting each other after a very long gap, but we did meet each other very consistently. And just looking at that board, I was just instantly reminded of the roll calls happening in every class. And I could literally say the last name of every student because I had called out your name so many times.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm sorry I was late. The only thing I want to tell everyone, and I want to suggest everyone, that no matter what happens, because everyone has a backstory, you never know. Life is tough, but don't just be that person that you made someone's life tougher. Hi everyone. I don't know where to begin, because no amount of words will ever be enough to express what Miranda has done for me. When I came here, I did not realize how much I did not know. Feminism, homosexuality, racism, these were just words that I had heard, but never to be understood. Back in school, I carried biases, stereotypes, and a very limited perspective of the world, of the people, and even of myself. Back in school, I used to judge. I would roll my eyes when girls wore makeup. I would wonder why somebody wanted to dress in a certain way or be expressive. I would think femininity was something to be avoided, something that made you weaker or less intelligent. I did not understand it because I never allowed myself to be. But Miranda changed everything. Miranda changed everything. I saw my friends put on eyeliner like a war boy. I saw them dress up not for the attention but for the joy. I saw them speak up, love boldly and laugh loudly. And something in me shifted. I picked up a brush and learned makeup. I would choose
the degree. I'm graduating with a heart full of gratitude, a mind more open, and a soul that feels like it belongs. So thank you truly for everything.
ये बंदी सबसे ज्यादा कह रही थी कि नहीं रोएगी, सबसे ज्यादा रोई है, सबसे ज्यादा। एक सेकेंड, ये दिस प्रिटी वुमन,
मैंने पैसे छोड़े हैं
इसलिए हमारा इतना अच्छा केक आया है। एंड शी गिव अ वंडरफुल स्पीच विदाउट स्क्रिप्ट। एंड ये बेस्ट ट्रेजरर, बेस्ट ट्रेजरर, माय ड्रीम डार्लिंग, लव यू। So this is our graduation day. सब अपने graduation robes में हैं. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello प्रीति. सब अपने graduation robes में हैं. कितने अच्छे लग रहे हैं. सब दिखाओ. अनमोल. अनमोल.
We are graduating. Shut up. We are the real Dragon Sisters. We are twinning unintentionally even today. Did you stop it? On it?